Hello people, I am here with my father, and first time, gonna eat some bugs. Got larvae barbecue and cricket, bacon and cheese. So, which one do you say I should eat first?
Why don't you eat a larvae first and then eat a cricket? Because the larvae is going to be easier to eat. And it's not going to be so bad. And then you're going to eat a cricket and you'll be like, okay. You'll already be used to it.
First time I'm going to eat a bug, I'm a little nervous. We just left the mall and I got this top hat. Ugh. Bacon larvae. Or larva, whatever you want to call it. How do you...
Having some trouble?
Yeah.
Need a knife? No.
I got it. I don't want to do this now.
But you have to. Because I bought them already. You said you would.
The larvae. Oh. You want to hold these? Oh.
It's a lot, too.
Yeah. Why did I have to say I was going to do it? Feels like it moving.
It was at one time. Here's some...
You want to eat one?
No. Tell me what they smell like, though.
Oh.
Smell like chips.
Kind of.
Go ahead. Birds and lizards eat them all the time. Come on, let's eat it.
Ah.
That's awesome.
You eat one.
I'm not eating one.
You eat one.
Nope. Do you need another one? You want another one? What do you think? Tell people what you think.
It doesn't taste like bacon. I mean, it doesn't taste like barbecue. Yeah, got a little piece still stuck in my mouth. Ugh.
Tell them what it tastes like.
Ugh. So it doesn't really taste like barbecue. And honestly, it really isn't that bad, but just the thought of it.
How's the texture?
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Very crunchy. Ah.
Alright, let's eat the cricket.
Oh, cricket. Crap. I'm definitely gonna make my friends eat one of these.
I'd hand out the mealworms first, since they're the larvae, since they're a lot of them.
Yeah. Trying to get this thing open without it ripping so much. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Oh, here comes a cricket. I really want you to eat one.
Nope.
Why are you a wimp?
Yeah, wimp enough.
Oh. Oh.
Smell? Tell me what it smells like.
Whoa. Just take a smell of that.
Yeah, it smells like crickets. Hold it up so they can see it's real.
Oh, little cricket. Oh, I can feel my hand twitching. I've held crickets before, but this just isn't right. Why do people do this? Wait, what flavor is this again?
Bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese. I only chose it because it had bacon. Oh, I see its little wings.
Come on, chomp chomp. It's almost 5 minutes. Come on, it's a long video.
My videos are usually 20 minutes long, but then again, I'm making things and...
Come on, put it in your mouth.
But look at that face.
Yeah, how could you eat that? It's a real face, too. You can eat the face and the eyes and the brains.
Oh, shut up.
Come on, eat it. Eat it. Put it in your mouth, dude. Don't put it between your teeth. Just put it in your mouth and start chewing.
I seriously want you to eat one.
I paid for them, so I didn't have to.
Well, I paid a massage for you.
$1. Come on. You like bite it in half with your front teeth.
I got his legs so I would hit my
Yeah, you do know. You gotta use your tongue. You gotta use your tongue. Ew, that's gross, dude. You can see it. It's all like legs and stuff. Ugh.
I got his legs stuck between my tooth. Oh, I could feel it going down.
At least it wasn't alive. Tell them how it tasted.
Disgusting. Did not taste like bacon and cheese either.
What it taste like?
Crunchy,
Cricket.
gooey. I got his leg stuck between my tooth. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I don't recommend this. No. Peace.